What's up everyone, Alan Morrow here and welcome to the last episode in the How to Make a Progressive Trance Track series. In this episode I'll be showing you how I master my tracks for that final polished mix. I'll be going over processing in depth such as EQ, stereo imaging, compression and limiting, but more importantly the reasons behind why each part of the processing is done, allowing you to fully understand the mastering process. Having an understanding of how to master your tracks will allow you to create better mixdowns and in return better overall finished projects. So if you'd like to learn how to master your tracks or see how a progressive trance track is created from scratch, then be sure to check the series out at alanmorrowstudios.com.